The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate field emission points, or FEPs, by electrochemically etching tungsten rods, and to then use these FEPs to produce an electron beam by operating them in field emission mode.
The FEPs produced using this method can provide a convenient electron source that can be used, for example, in electron impact ionization to produce ions for applications such as mass spectrometry.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is reliable and relatively straightforward to implement with modest equipment.
Demonstrating parts of the procedure will be Eranjan and Nadeesha, graduate students from my lab.
Begin with preparing lengths of 0.5 mm diameter tungsten rod. Use a pair of wire clippers to cut the rod into 25 mm lengths. About a dozen small rods can be made from one 12-inch rod. Then, using sonication, clean the rods in acetone for 15 minutes. After the acetone bath, rinse the rods with deionized water for a few seconds. Next, prepare the sodium hydroxide solution using all safety precautions. The process is highly exothermic and can release heat that may cause burns or ignite flammables, and could cause the solution to splash out of the container. Once made, transfer the sodium hydroxide solution to a wash bottle, and then use it to fill a separatory funnel with the 1.5 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Set up the apparatus with the copper FEP catcher block placed inside a wide base glass beaker, and position a copper cathode above it.